this is the first day on this plot. I have my name done on 2 plots, or 2 sites even. And I had a text message today from this one to say that there's a plot available where I can come down and have a look at it, because it's going to be a challenge. And by challenge, I literally mean challenge. At the moment we got some like makeshift bridges to get to it.
I made the bridge.
He made the bridge, he's really proud of it. There you go, sturdy, innit?
You've got to stay in the middle, like. Don't get me wrong, you can't be on the left, you've got to be in the middle. If you go left, you start to tip. See? So.
Sorry, my camera shooting skills are not that great. I don't think I captured half of that then. But yeah, we literally came over about, I say 2 hours ago to come and have a look at it. And then we went home, grabbed a pallet, because my friend Paige gave me a bunch of them. And we're using it as a bridge now. That was never his intention, but it's what it turned out to be. I know. And yeah, I've just started to cut away at some of the brambles, just to kind of make like a boundary line between my plot and the next plot, because I'm still not quite sure like where my plot starts and where it ends, just because I don't think it's ever been used before, and I've got to kind of draw that out now. So this is where I'm going for this line here, and it's in line with that tree and kind of in line with that boundary there, and then to about there. And I think if I clear this area first, I can get a couple of beds down, get a couple of things in the ground, and then the sooner I can get, you know, growing, the better, because I think even though the rest of the plot's not going to be done like for ages, like ages and ages, and I'm quite aware of that, it'd be nice to get things growing. I've got a couple of things in my garden which I'll show you in a bit. But yeah, I'm a bit overwhelmed. I get overwhelmed when I get things.
New things, you like freak out.
Yeah, some people are like jump up and down and like get like, oh yay, but I go really quiet and I'm like panicking.
It's good, good.
So yeah, first day on the plot. So that's the end of day 1. We've only been here for like 40 minutes or something, but it was just that we came to see it, went home, and it was like, I just want to go back. I want to get started, I want to do something. So you probably can't see much of what no you can't. Okay, so I'm going to just move my hand. So all this on that bit, I've just cleared that now, and that kind of represents the boundary between my plot and next door. It's not that hard this stage anyway. It's just, you know, I gotta get thicker gloves, and sorry, that was Siri. I just need to get thicker gloves and maybe some better like shear things. I need to learn the names as well, like that would help, wouldn't it? I'd need to learn the names of the tools. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. James brought his drone. He took an aerial shot, so I can now outline, or at least like visualize a little bit better what I want to do with my plot. I think I'll have like a grand idea about what I want to do, but I think I need to be realistic. And first things first, clear as much as possible from at least one half of the plot, get stuff in the ground, get things growing, and then, you know, maybe next year I'll be able to like plan it out a bit better. I don't know, I just don't want to get my hopes up too much, I suppose, and say I'm going to do this, this and this, and then not do it. So anyway, that's enough rambling. We're the last year. I'm trying to decide whether or not we should lock up. James thinks we should lock up.
Yeah, you gotta lock it up.
Okay, so we're gonna lock up, and yeah.